Good morning, all of you. Chapter 4 Reproductive Health completed, and earlier we discussed different types of the objectives from this chapter. And today's class we are going to discuss about related PU questions, previous questions, and 1 mark questions. Right? So let us start. So, Chapter 4 Reproductive Health, the chapter weight is 1 mark question 1, 2 mark question 2. The total 5 marks. Total 5 marks, 1 1 mark question, 2 2 mark questions. So total weightage should not change in every year. It may be change like 1 3 mark question and 1 2 mark question, 5 marks. Otherwise 1 5 mark question, right? So the total weightage should not change. So it may be changed from 1, 2 and 3 and 5 marks, right? So general weightage. So generally, according to the blueprint, 1 mark question 1 and 2 mark question 2. And let us discuss what are the previous questions given from this chapter in the previous years from these chapters. So this year 2020, in 2020 paper 1 mark question not given, and 2 mark section 1 question given. Name the 2 hormone releasing IUDs. There is 1 2 mark question given. Name the 2 hormone releasing IUDs. So what are hormone releasing IUDs? Progesterone and LNG 20. These are the hormone releasing IUDs. Examples for hormone releasing IUDs. And 3 mark question. 1 3 mark question given. Define infertility and write 2 assisted reproductive technologies to overcome infertility. So infertility definition. So unable to produce children. The couple is unable to produce children in spite of without using of any type of contraceptive methods or in spite of sexual cohabitation. So write 2 assisted reproductive technology to overcome infertility. So we discussed different types of the ART methods. So many ART methods were discussed: IVF and ET and IUT and ZIFT, GIFT and IUI, AI, ICSI. So these are all different types of the ART methods. Write any 2. You can write any 2 of ART. So here not mentioned particularly. Write 2 assisted reproductive technology to overcome infertility. So you can write any of 2, right? So 3 mark question. So because of 3 mark question you need to explain. Suppose IVF and ICSI. So abbreviation and explanation 1 point enough. And 5 mark question no. 5 mark question section no, right? So total 1 3 mark question and 1 2 mark question. Total 5 marks came. Small chapter and you can easily get 5 marks from this chapter. Next year 2019, 1 mark question section nil, no. 2 mark section no, 3 mark section no, and 5 mark section. What are contraceptives? Explain 4 different non-surgical contraceptives. So what are contraceptives? So what is meant by contraceptives? So couple don't want to children, and those couple don't want children, those couple suggested for use with contraceptives. So contraceptives are prevents conception. So the methods which is prevents, the devices which is prevents conception or pregnancy or conceiving, that is called, those are called contraceptives. Explain 4 different non-surgical contraceptives. Non-surgical contraceptives means you can write any type of either artificial or natural contraceptive methods. So surgical contraceptive methods means what? Surgical contraceptive methods are those. What is that? Permanent contraceptive methods. So non-surgical you can write any of artificial or natural contraceptive methods, right? So next one, year 2018, 1 mark question. So nil. So in year 2019, what? Only 1 5 mark question given. So 5 marks weightage, right? So year 2018, one more question nil, no one more question, and 2 marks question section no, and 3 marks section no, and here also one 5 mark question given, and 5 mark question splitted question, and 2 questions given A and B. What are features of an ideal contraceptive? So what are the features of an ideal contraceptive? We discussed ideal contraceptives. So what are the features? Which contraceptives are considered as ideal contraceptives, which are freely available and user friendly and easily reversible without side effects and more effective? Those such type of the contraceptives are called ideal contraceptives, right? So it carries 2 marks, and question B, in this 5 marks only, in this question only, B question, mention the natural methods of contraception. So 3 different types of natural contraceptive methods. So mention, not explanation. Explanation is not required. So lactational amenorrhea and withdrawal method, coitus interrupts, and periodic abstinence, right? You can write, mention the natural methods of, you can write the names, and just 1 point you need to write for that natural methods of contraception. So it carries 3 marks, so total 5 marks, one 5 mark question given in year 2018. So let us go for year 2017 paper. 1 mark question nil, not given, and a 2 mark question, one 2 mark question given. Write any 2 simple principles to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. So STDs, STIs we discussed. Write any 2 simple principles to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. So at that time it is called sexually transmitted diseases only, STD only. The name was not changed. Now it changed into sexually transmitted infection. Write any 2 simple principles. So what principles we discussed? 3 principles we discussed. What is that? Prevention methods. Avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners, and always use condom while coitus with unknown or multiple partners. And third point, in case of any doubt, consult the doctor immediately. In case of any symptoms are there, consult the doctor immediately, right? So this is excuse me, sorry, right? So next 3 mark question given, one 3 mark question given. What is infertility and give reason for infertility in humans? So again, infertility definition given and give reasons for infertility in humans. So in man and woman, female and male infertility reasons were discussed. So because of an evolution in the females and alcoholism in the males and both females also, and euspermia, sperms count less. So there are so many reasons are there for infertility. You can mention any reasons for infertility, right? So one 2 mark question and one 5 mark question given. So total 5 marks, right? In the year 2016, 1 mark question no, and 2 mark section no, and 3 mark section no, and 5 mark section given. So what is infertility and how is infertility treated by assisted reproductive technologies like GIFT and IFCI, ICSI? It is not IFCI, ICSI, right? What is infertility? So infertility definition and how is infertility treated by assisted reproductive technologies like GIFT and ICSI. You can like this question given, you can explain both GIFT and ICSI process. So GIFT, GIFT and ICSI, both abbreviation you need to write, and after that explanation process, like what is the process should be explained, right? So that is GIFT and ICSI, right? So one 5 mark question given. And next one, in year 2015, 1 mark question section no, and 2 marks, one question given. Mention any 4 sexually transmitted diseases. So you can write any of the examples of sexually transmitted diseases. STDs examples, so many examples we discussed: chlamydiasis, and trichomoniasis and HIV AIDS and hepatitis B and syphilis and gonorrhea. You can write any of 4 examples, 2 marks question, and 1 3-mark question given. Suggest any 3 assisted reproductive technologies to overcome infertility. Suggest